Okay, let's try this one. Already just by looking, you can tell that this is going to be a bit tedious. The key is just to be patient. So here will be slower than usual. Just make sure we don't complicate it. Okay, so we begin to do our replacements. This is h, and then we'll put it inside there. Okay, so this is going to be x plus h plus 1 over 2 minus x minus h minus x plus 1 over 2 minus x. Okay, now remember the whole lot of this is being divided by h, right? What else do we do here? We now simplify this one here. Now I'll simplify it differently. I'll separately, because I don't want to create too much clutter, because it'll be very difficult to keep track of everything that's happening. So the first step is we simplify this middle part here. And so what do we do to simplify? We find the common denominator. Yes, like this. Then we know that this one divides into there, and then this one multiplies with the first part. Can't afford to be too fast. Okay, that part there to multiply with this one here. This one is what? It's 2 minus x minus h. We're still trying to simplify this. So now we start. We're going to use this to expand that. So this one becomes the first term, 2x plus 2h plus 2. We're done with the first part. This second part here gives us minus x squared minus xh, then minus x. Okay, so that's our first part. Then we are going to take away the second part. The second part is going to be, we use this one, the negative outside here, 2x minus x squared. What else? Minus hx. Okay. Then this part here gives us 2 plus 2 minus x minus h. That's the second part. And then everything divided by the common denominator, which is this part here. Okay, remember, we still have this pending and that pending. So you cannot forget these. Then you're doing something that you haven't been asked to do. Right, so let's compare now what's inside here and there to simplify. So we look at, and this, remember, a negative sign. So we look at 2x minus 2x. We are going to cancel that. 2h from this one here minus 2h minus 2h. Those are going to add, so we are going to form 3h. Okay, 2h, and that, because of this negative sign, we are going to add. We have 2, take away 2, those are cancelling. Minus x squared, take away minus x squared, those are going to cancel. Minus xh, take away minus hx, it's the same thing, these are going to cancel. Right, we have this one left, minus h minus x, take away minus h, this is going to cancel. And then we said this one already cancelled, and that one already cancelled. So what do we have left? We only had this one and that one. They gave us this one. So now we can divide with 2 minus x minus h. Then we multiply with this. Okay, let's put back our limits. And then we say that we are dividing this whole thing by h. Now, we know that if we were dividing 4 over 2, divided by 2, like that. This simplifies to 4 over 2 by 2, which is equal to what? That gives us 4 over 4. You can test it out to give you that. So this one then goes back and becomes lim h approaching 0, 3h, like that. The h that was outside here can come and assist here. Then we will have 2 minus x minus h, and then 2 minus x, like that. Now I can use my equal sign. I'm going to say that this is still the same, but then the h and h can terminate each other there. Then we have 2 minus x minus h. Then we have 2 minus h, x, like that. But then we need to get rid of this for us to get the derivative. So what do? We can say equal to, okay, h can come and sit here. So we're going to have, this becomes 3 over, this becomes 0. So this becomes 2 minus x. And then this is 2 minus x, right? So we can say that actually this is the same. So we can say that this is then 3. And then this will become 2 minus x squared, like that. So we can finish and say the derivative of that function, okay, or d of x is equal to 3 over 2 minus x squared. So you see, if we had worked with everything up to here, it's possible that we would have mixed up something. So sometimes just isolate where the complexity is, do it nicely, then you're able to plug it back at the right time. And so that's how we managed, because we were able to get one part, simplify it nicely, and then plug it back into the main equation or main problem. And then we continued with that problem till we got to the solution. All right, all the best as you go through.